Alright, we got rain in less than an hour. So he's getting to the last of the clay. Alright, rain or shine. Gotta get done.
Alright, here's what the inside looks like.
This reminds me of Illinois. We barely got out of the pond before it started pouring.
Hey guys, Capper here. Welcome back. This has been a really exciting project and it's only getting better every day. Welcome to the next episode. So today I'm skimming the inside and I'm going to be laying red clay on the whole inside of the pond before some heavy rains. We're going to be in the nick of time. But you'll see some of the scraping that I do is the junk layer, and then I'm going to put that on the back side of the pond dam. So if you notice, some of it's getting laid on the inside and some's going on the outside. That's why. The good red clay I'm lining on the inside, and I got to track it all in before this rain hits us. So welcome to today's episode. If you enjoy this stuff, please hit the like button, leave us a comment. Consider subscribing and sharing it because it all helps us. We appreciate it. We keep things real here. So let's get into today's episode. It's getting really exciting now, and you might not see it today, but we got pretty big water already in this pond coming on the future episodes. So let's get into it. Thanks. All right, so real quick, if you're wondering how deep this pond's going to be, there's a picture of me. That's roughly about how big I would be standing in the bottom. This is going to be 8 to 9 foot deep in a couple of the deep spots. All right, here's what the inside looks like. I'm two-thirds or three-quarters of the way done with the inner pond dam. We got rain coming in an hour or two. I'm gonna back drag and compact this, but that's kind of what it looks like. Don't have a camera with me today. Get it compacted now. It's not looking good right there, baby.
Alright, we got rain in less than an hour. So he's getting to the last of the clay. It's gonna be a big pond if we ever get some water in it. making a deep trench right in the middle there. Oh, he's hitting some rocks there. Oh, look at that, Joe. You hit the red, the white, and the blue. Perfect for 4th of July. Well, it just is starting to sprinkle. Come on, Joe. Alright, now it's not sprinkling. Now it's like raining. This reminds me of Illinois. We barely got out of the pond before it started pouring, right when it was built. Alright, I might go film from inside the buggy. Rain or shine, it's gotta get done. Well, it's still raining, but the sun's out now. I think that was enough just to make it slippery. Although there should be a rainbow. There should be a tail of a rainbow right over here somewhere. Have to watch for it. Wouldn't that be a sign if there was a rainbow right at the end over the pond? Alright, looks like that's a wrap.
So that was a wrap for that day. We got lucky. The rain blew by us because I'm far from finished in here. But finish out the rest of the video and see what Sharon has to say from today's episodes about the mud.
Whew. Good thing he doesn't have a garage to park in. Or even a shed yet. At least out here it'll get rained on. Yeah, it's hot out here. Your camera woman is soaked from the rain and hot from the humidity.
You done good, babe.
Uh-huh. I can show you how to use the pressure washer. Get your tracks cleaned out there.
Nah, I'll just let it rain on it. A couple days.
You're gonna need more than a couple days there. Strong work.
Oh, wow.